Can you use the equity in your home to purchase another house? Yes, of course you can. If you've owned a home for a few years or more, chances are that you have a good amount of equity in your home. And this is great news because it can be tough to get your equity without selling your home first. So, how do you use the equity in your home to buy another one without selling it? Well, you have a couple of great options to deal with that situation. Number one is a home equity loan. And this kind of a loan uses your home as collateral to tap into your equity. And the benefit of this type of loan is that they're often seen as less risky by lenders. So that means you'll have better rates than other competing products. They also allow you to take out a lump sum of cash that can be used however you like, such as buying another home or consolidating all your bills. And number two, a HELOC. A home equity line of credit or a HELOC is another option for homeowners looking to take out some of their equity. This is a line of credit secured by your home that acts much like a credit card. But the benefit to this type of loan is that you can choose the amount of equity you want to borrow against rather than taking out all of it as one lump sum. Plus, you pay interest only on the amount you borrow, so it's a much lower payment. And thirdly, cash out refinance. A cash out refinance is essentially where you pay off your existing mortgage with another larger mortgage and you get to pocket the difference in the home value. So this is another option that gives you a large lump sum of money that you can choose to put towards whatever you like. It essentially replaces your current mortgage, and if you want to pay off other debts such as credit cards and you owe a total of $25,000 on those cards at 19% interest rate, it would definitely make sense to pay off all of those, including a car payment if you take out enough cash. This way you get rid of any confusion having to pay 10 or more bills each month, and you end up only having one simple payment. So as always, it's my job to make this process as stress-free as possible. And if you have any questions on this topic or are looking to buy or sell, I'm here to help. My contact information is below, and thanks for watching.